Yeah, nigga.
So seductive.
I'm still fucking with you.
Yeah.
Still waters run deep.
Baby Blanc.
Shorty drop her to the ground like she ain't got manners. Too much booty for one man to handle. When all I need is a one night scandal, and I'ma get fucking in. Damn, little mama, know you fit my standards. You're the type to make me grip that handle. Lick shots in the air, bustin' that random.
Why you make it clap, 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 clap?
You gotta shake that thing, shake that thing.
Why you make it clap, clap,
Hey, yo.
clap, clap, clap?
Just shake that
Hey, yo,
thing,
fellas.
shake that thing.
Homie, I'd hate to. My Teflon on board my government issue. I hit your vertebrae, bullets rip through tissues. Your wife on a futon, hugging a shih tzu. Homie, you a bitch, you got feminine ways. Heard you got 4 lips and bleed for 7 days. I got 4/5 and bananas on the case. And got more whips than a runaway slave. Me and Yayo go back like some high top fades. When I made 50 mil, M got paid when I made 60 mil. Dre got paid when I made 80 mil. Jimmy got paid, I ain't even got the rap now. Life is made. Yeah.
Shorty drop her to the ground like she ain't got manners. Too much booty for one man to handle. When all I need is a one night scandal, and I'ma get fucking in. Damn, little mama, know you fit my standards. You're the type to make me grip that handle. Lick shots in the air, bustin' that random.
Why you make it clap, 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 clap?
You gotta shake that thing, shake that thing.
Why you make it clap, clap,
Hey, yo.
clap, clap, clap?
Just shake that
Hey, yo,
thing,
fellas.
shake that thing.
As easy as it looks to you, I make it look so easy. With the music I be making, the impression I be leaving. A lot of folks, they stop and stare, thinking I'ma trick it off. I roll another bleezy, puff it, pass it, and shake it off. Move on to the next phase, and it's amazing. The next generation of rappers, Big Snoop Dogg raising them. That's 15 years in the game, still got the fortune and fame. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. Check this, Devin. Somebody said that real G's go to heaven, so I'ma keep spitting the truth on these fools like a reverend. Stay open like 7-Eleven, that's 24/7. When you need some hot shit, stop by and get you a beverage. I'm serving my rhymes like nickels and dimes. Plug it in, let it play, and let me blow your mind. It's the dominant conglomerate, prominent, and I'ma get what I gotta get. Twist another sweet and bop to the beat.
Shorty drop her to the ground like she ain't got manners. Too much booty for one man to handle. When all I need is a one night scandal, and I'ma get fucking in. Damn, little mama, know you fit my standards. You're the type to make me grip that handle. Lick shots in the air, bustin' that random.
There's no business like hope in it. Still Snoop Dogg.
Baby Blanc.
Yeah, trying to bring your ass to the table, y'all. It's X to the Z exhibit. Yeah, Snoop Double D, OG. What? Bring it alive, Dr. Dre. What? Throwing up a big ass W, covered up the world, right? Yeah, listen, look. You ain't trying to hot box with me. I swing hard liquor going down by the second round. All hell to underground. How that sound? Exhibit backing down from a conflict. Fuck the nonsense. Terrorists hit a bomb shit. Glass and metal in every direction. Innocent bystanders taught a very hard lesson. I'm the reason there's no time to reach for that weapon. And reason why niggas with problems keep on stepping. Exhibit ready to scrap like Mike Tyson with his license back. 9 to 5 minimum wage. What type of life is that for me? It's blasphemy. You fucking around with the Sundance Kid and Butch Cassidy. You had the audacity to wanna take her with the X-ray in your neck. Slap you like the opposite sex. Drunk driving trying to stack my loot, while other rappers getting treated like a prostitute. So check the sound skin.
All I wanna be was a G-high. My whole life, nigga, please high. Breaking up these motherfucking keys high. Let's get these motherfucking keys high. Nigga, you don't wanna fuck with this.
Oh no, Big Snoop Dogg, back up in the heezy, baby. You jocking my style, you so crazy. Dre say ain't no limit to this. As
long as we drop gangsta shit. Look here, bitch, you fine and I dig your style. Come fuck with a nigga, do it, doggy style. I'll be gentle, sentimental. Shit, we fucked in the rental, Lincoln Continental. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago.
Yeah, nigga, you
I
know
get
what's
the pussy
happening, man.
everywhere that I go.
These bitches know what time
Ask
it
the
is.
bitches in your hood, cause they
Hell yeah.
know.
Hoes know
I
about
get
a
the
nigga
pussy
like me,
everywhere
man.
that I go.
I'm pimp these
Ask the
hoes,
bitches in
nigga.
your hood, cause they know.
Bitch, please. Get down on your goddamn knees. For this money, chronic clothes, and weed. You fucking with some real OGs. Bitch, please. Bitch, please. Get down on your motherfucking knees. We came to get the motherfucking G's. Yeah, you fucking with some real OGs. You dick tease.
Bitch, please. Now what you need to do is hand my coat and roll me some dough. Different strokes for different folks. Oh, you like set niggas